Hello and welcome to the introduction for your Space Pathfinder. First we're going to start off with some questions to get you thinking. What have you noticed when you've looked up at the night sky yourself? What have you observed? Then you could start off by going to our school library and finding some of these fiction books on the topic. And then after you've looked at some fiction books on it, here's where we're really going to start learning about what is happening out there during the night. Here's some nonfiction books that you can find at our school library. And if you're interested in learning even more, you can go across the street to the public library, and here are some books you can find over there. Once you've read about the topic, I would like for you to stop and reflect about what you've learned. Can you explain how the moon goes through its phases? And can you explain why it goes through its phases? Also, what have you learned so far about the constellations and how they are related to the seasons? Here's an image of the night sky with the Milky Way. The night sky has also inspired a lot of musicians. You could listen to this song by Frank Sinatra. And if you still need more, you can watch some of these videos about the phases of the moon or some of these presentations about constellations and how the stars change depending on what season we're in. There's some other online resources you can check out. The Ask a Scientist website is pretty cool, and two more about finding constellations at different times of the year. Can you figure out which season is best for finding Orion? And can you explain why that is? Here's a NASA link to information about the moon. Pay special attention to the subheading about orbit and rotation to help you understand the phases. Here's a few popular, familiar constellations. And then here's some web quests and activities you can do to help show what you've learned. Here's another song that's been inspired by the moon. It's a good one. Take a listen. Then if you'd like to go back to the library to get some more information, you could try searching in the 520s. That has books about stars, planets, astronomy, and space. And if you'd like to search the catalogs or the internet, you can try some of these words or phrases. Here's some other resources that you can find in the community. The public library, again, right across the street. You can search their database to find magazine articles and videos on the topic. You can also check out NASA's Kids Club website, or even go down or up to Houston to the Burke-Baker Planetarium. And here's one last song inspired by the night sky. I bet you've heard this one before. And finally, here's a chance for you to show what you know now that you've completed the Pathfinder. Make sure you cite any other sources that helped you. And if you'd like to continue learning about space, if the moon and the stars were not enough for you, you could try some of these books to learn more about what else is out there in the night sky. And finally, here are the science TEKs and the AASL standards that you will fulfill by completing this Pathfinder. Okay, that's it. I hope you are ready to get started, and I hope you have fun.